Alright lads, hello and welcome to another Scots Word of the Day compilation video. This is number 5 now, so you don't need me to tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen anyway. You're going to get 7 words, you're going to get a week's worth of Scots Word of the Day content, all in one gorgeous little package, and you're going to love it. So grab a snack, grab a hot beverage of your choosing, and let's go. Alright lads, today's Scots Word of the Day is Hoachin. This is an adjective which means busy or full of people, and an example sentence is, see when the sun's out, this place is absolutely hoachin with tourists. Alright lads, today's Scots Word of the Day is Gowpin. This word means painful, throbbing in agony. It means just the worst, most terrible, awful pain you've ever felt. An example sentence is, I got this wee tiny burn at work yesterday and it's absolutely gowpin. Like, it looks really small, but it's really nippy. Alright lads, Scots Word of the Day today is patched. This word means to ignore someone's message, to leave them on read, or to pie them. And an example sentence is, I've written a massive big paragraph and you've just patched it. That's interesting. This might be a regional thing, so if there's Scottish people listening and they don't know this word, I'm really sorry, but... Alright lads, Scots Word of the Day today is Bowfin. This is a great way of saying that something is disgusting or makes you feel sick, and it's an adjective. An example sentence is, please, for the love of God, take those bins out, that is actually Bowfin. Right lads, Scots Word of the Day today is Bahookie. This is a noun which means bum, bottom, derriere, and an example sentence is, would you get up off your bahookie and get some work done please? This is not a rude word. It's never used as an insult, it's used where you'd use butt or bum. Alright lads, today's Scots Word of the Day is Breeks. This is a noun which means trousers or pants if you're American, and for my example sentence I'm going to quote the old guy who yesterday says, do you know you've got holes in your breeks? Aye mate, it's called fashion, look it up, like. Right lads, Scots Word of the Day today is Bonny. This is an adjective which means beautiful, handsome, attractive, and an example sentence is, he might not be that bright, but boy is that lad bonny. Alright lads, thank you very much for watching another Scots Word of the Day compilation video. I hope you had fun, I hope you learned something, and I hope you have just had, or will have a phenomenal day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Alright lads, hello and welcome to another... I swear to God, you need to pick a colour for my face and stick to it. This is nonsense. I respect your creative decisions, but this level of shenanigans is not on. Right, focus, face, there we go. Thank you.